Hi guys, welcome back. So if you're tired of eating aloo paratha, gobi paratha and such varieties of paratha and are looking for a change, then try today's recipe. This is mushroom paratha. This came out really well and it's pretty easy to make. The ingredients list for the dish is given in the description box below. Do not forget to subscribe, click the bell and like, share and comment. Let's jump into the video. So firstly, let's prepare the paratha dough. For that I have taken whole wheat flour, some oil and salt in a bowl. Now we'll add water to this gradually and prepare a paratha dough. So the dough is ready. Now I'm going to let this sit for 30 minutes to rest. Meanwhile, let's prepare the stuffing, for which I've heated some oil. I'm going to add some cumin seeds into that. We'll let the cumin seeds splutter. Once that's done, I'm adding finely chopped onions and green chillies. And I'm going to cook the onions until they turn translucent. Once the onions are done, I've got finely chopped button mushroom in here. I'm going to add the mushrooms into the pan. I'll also add some salt to taste. Make sure you don't add too much salt as the mushroom will shrink once cooked. So be careful with the amount of salt you add to the dish. Now we're going to saute it for a while on high flame until all the water evaporates and the mushrooms are cooked. So the mushroom is done now. I'm going to add some turmeric powder to this, as well as some garam masala powder. Now we'll mix everything together and cook it for another 2 minutes. So the stuffing is ready. Let's switch off the gas and cool this mixture completely. Now I've taken a portion of the dough, paratha dough. I'm dusting it with some flour and rolling it into a disc. Then I'm going to put the stuffing in the middle and then wrap it or pleat it from the ends like we do with a normal paratha. Now let's flatten it again. Add some flour and I'm pressing the edges of the paratha to thin it down. And now we'll roll it into a paratha. We'll do the same with the rest of the parathas as well. So once it's rolled, we'll put it onto the tawa and cook it. So I'm going to put it on a tawa on medium heat and we'll cook it until golden brown from both sides. You can grease it with some ghee or oil. And you can see the paratha is ready to be served. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye.